You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today South Korean police arrest 28 in raid on crypto investment fraud ring. US House delivers surprise knockout sweeping FIT21 crypto bill passes. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong celebrates House victory for clear crypto regulation. Ethereum co-creators hits major US exchange with 10,000 ETS transfer. BlackRock, Grayscale, Bitwise file updated 19 billion forms in rush for Ethereum ETF. Rumors of Bybit's insolvency trigger panic in the crypto community. Crypto miners Argo strategy payoffs in Q1 2024 with reduced losses. Bitgate and PizzaDAO collaborate for global Bitcoin Pizza Day festival. Binance introduced Lista as the second project on the new Binance Mega Drop platform. Bitcoin ruins high, Fate's transactions plummet 84%. ERC20 coins see development activity amid speculations about ETH ETF approval. XRP whale moves 291 million coins amid FIT's 21 relief to Ripple's community. South Korean police officers have arrested 28 people they suspected or orchestrating a crypto investment fraud ring per Jaws Gyumyung Shinmun's and the broadcaster KBC. A raid was conducted by the Gwangju Metropolitan Police Agency Cyber Crime Investigation Unit. FIT21 received a boost from an unlikely source, former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, and the move defying expectations. Pelosi championed the bill, calling it a first step towards regulating the burgeoning crypto space. The bipartisan support with the 71 Democrats joining forces with 208 Republicans marks a historic moment for the industry. The House of Representatives have passed the Financial Innovations and Technology for the 21st Century Act, marking a significant step in the cryptocurrency regulation. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong hailed this victory, emphasizing the importance of clear and sensible crypto rules. With 71 Democrats voting in favor, surpassing expectations, the legislation now heads to the Senate. Jeffrey Wilk, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, transferred 10,000 ETH to major US exchange Kraken today. As reported by the Spot on Chain, the transfer valued at approximately $37.38 million was found made an exchange rate of $3,738 per ETH. BlackRock, Grayscale, and Bitwise filed amended 19B4 forms with the SEC for their proposed spot Ether ETFs, removing staking provisions. This change will likely make to avoid regulatory roadblocks. Staking is considered a form of passive income in the crypto world. Recent rumors suggesting the insolvency of crypto exchange Bybit have sent shockwaves through the crypto community, escalating panic and speculation. Argo Blockchain, a publicly listed cryptocurrency mining company, announced its unaudited financial results for the first quarter of 2024, which showed an improvement compared to the same period last year. The company reported a revenue of $16.8 million, a 4% increase from the previous quarter, and a threefold reduction in a net loss of $3.2 million. Compared to the last year, revenues grew by almost 50%. Prominent crypto exchange Bybit has joined forces with PizzaDAO to celebrate Bitcoin Pizza Day. According to a press release on Thursday, Bitgate hosted a series of global events from Asia to South America to pay tribute to the historic first Bitcoin transaction. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.